Hi everyone! In this video we're going to be talking about home screen blocks. So your home screen is made up of a lot of smaller blocks that you can add, remove, and move around. Right now you are looking at Envision. This is a way that we visualize what a home screen will look like before the home screen is actually built out and before you've added any content. So taking a look on the right hand side, you can see a home screen layout. And on the left-hand side, we have all the different types of blocks that you can add onto the home screen. So let's take a look at the different types of blocks first, and then we'll see what the other home screen looks like. I'm just going to zoom on in. So the first type of block is a text block. It has a title and then a description. So you can have whatever title you want, whatever description you want. And it's going to be sticking to the left-hand side of the screen. Next, we have an image block. So you can have an image of any size. It could be anywhere on your home screen. Just let us know. We can add it in. There is going to be a slight margin on the sides of your home screen, so it won't touch the very edges. It'll go just almost to the edges. We have the leaderboard block. This shows the user's icon, their profile picture, as well as their name and what placement they are out of the whole entire user base. So maybe you're number 2 out of 80. And you can go ahead and click and see the full leaderboard. We have our large goal block. So it'll display the top 3 goals, and a user can always view all goals. It'll show that very first one as a very large block, and then you'll see the smaller ones underneath. And again, you can change whatever title and whatever description you want above your goal block, and you don't have to have anything at all. So these goals will disappear if the user has completed all the goals inside your app. This is the short goal block. It's similar to the large one, only you can kind of slide through them. You'll see the top 3 or 4, and then it'll just keep scrolling through. Again, you can see, you can click to view all the goals as well. The challenge block, you can see all of the challenges that are that you can accomplish, and any challenge that is been completed and is still live for you will be grayed out. And it'll move to the back of the challenge carousel. So you can swipe through them, press on it, and go to that specific action or event or whatever it is. The poll block, only one poll will show up per day. Once you press on your answer, then it'll show you the amount of people that also answered that. So it'll show you the percentage of, like, maybe 50% answered green and 20% answered blue, and so on. We have the category block, so it will display your categories. You can say if you only want the top 4, the top 8, top 12, or it can be randomized. The upcoming events block will show the events that are happening in the next 2 weeks. And then finally we have link blocks. So you can create a button or a link to anywhere pretty much inside your app, or to an external location. Maybe it's a website, maybe you want to have it send an email or call someone, anything that you want, we pretty much can facilitate. So maybe you want to just send users out to the calendar quickly, or to the map, or maybe it's a specific category, or a specific action or location, or a survey that you always want to be on the home screen, whatever you want to be highlighting. So if we scroll back up, we can see over here we have a home screen. So it's a little bit longer than what an actual home screen when you're looking at your phone looks like. That's because we can scroll on that phone. So in this example, we used an image block up at the top, and we want to have our logo there. And we want to let users see where they are compared to other people pretty quickly. We'll show the upcoming events block, and we change the title. So any of these blocks you can change the title for. You can even add it for the leaderboard block. You can have a title and description. So we change the title to upcoming webinars. And then we're showing the goals. So we're showing the short goal block. So what are the next ones that you should be completing? And down here, because it's a home screen, you can navigate to all of the other locations inside the app. So it's not like the user can't find any of those other features that are inside your